Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to make an origami fortune teller. So all you'll need is a piece of origami paper. Well, that's okay if you don't have it, because you can always use some just plain printer paper and fold it into, cut it into a square. And you might need a pencil if you want to write your name on your fortune teller. And I'll need one. So, first step, fold yours in half. And if you want your fortune teller to have color, then make it have color. And if you want it to have color also, the rule is you need to have the color on the outside so you could see it, and the white part on the inside. But if you're using double-sided origami paper, that's all right because any side will have color. Okay, that's step one. Now open it. Step two, you're going to fold it down. Okay, like that. Take your time, and remember you could always pause the video if I'm going too fast. Okay, there. That's what I have so far. Now, on the white side, there should be 2 folds going in. Now, fold this tip down to the middle here until the tip hits there, the middle. And then do the same for all the other tips. Or points. Take your time and don't rush. Okay. Got 3 sides, now the last one. Okay, now you should have it like this. Now turn it over. And then there's a middle here. And there's 4 corners here, obviously. So you fold this corner down to the middle until the point touches the middle. Do the same for the other 3 sides. Okay, give it a good push. There. Okay, you should have this now. And now fold it in half with these 4 points on the inside. And then fold it like that. Fold it other way. And then open it up. And then fold it. Do the same for the other way. Open it up, and then you could pick to fold it like this or like that. It's your choice. And then push the sides like that. Should start forming a diamond shape. And then push it until it looks like this. And you should be able to squeeze it. And then, just to make sure it's tight enough, fold the little flap sticking out to the side, and then, okay, should look like that. And now there's 4 flaps here that aren't sticking out, so you could poke your finger through to open it. That, and there should be 3 on the either side, like all the other sides. Open them all up. And there's where your fingers will be. You don't really have 4 fingers, but you only use your thumb and index. Thumb and index. So you stick those into the hole, and then you could open it like that. And then to write the numbers, you push the flaps in so they're flat again, and then open it. And then here there should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 little shapes. There's a small triangle and another, and then there's more. So in each triangle, you could write a random number. Take your time. Rush, it's not the end of the world. Okay, so I have mine. I wrote 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that's 1. Okay. Now fold it back into your weird fortune teller shape. And then once you do that, you could see 4 of the numbers, and once you do that, you could see another 4. Now, open it up again to where you wrote your numbers, and there should be flaps. Open one of the flaps, any flap you like, and write something. For example, it's your birthday. And then you could draw balloons on the bottom since it's someone's birthday. Like that, and then close it. And then for the other flaps, you could put other things. So here I'm going to say, got an A+ on your test. Okay, and then I'm going to close it and then do this one. Now I'm going to write B- on the math test. Now, the last one, let's see, maybe go shopping every Monday. Okay. Then I'm going to draw a shopping bag. See, it looks really weird. Okay, so these are mine. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, and then fold them back into your weird fortune teller shape again. And then there's your fortune teller. You won't be able to see the words until you take it out. And you could see one of the words, and you could take out the other ones too. And now I'm going to write my name on mine. So I'm going to write it, my initials. Okay, and you could write yours, and I'm going to write the date. There, 2020. Okay. That's it. And your fortune teller should look something like mine. Something like this. The numbers in here. That is how you make a fortune teller out of origami. See you next time, and remember to subscribe.